Our landing, Space Shuttle Atlantis. We don't fly space shuttles anymore. This is one of the last space shuttle missions. Atlantis is in Florida now on display. At the Intrepid Museum where I work, I mentioned earlier, we have Space Shuttle Enterprise, which is the first drop test orbiter. All the space shuttles and all that equipment are now in museums. We don't fly them anymore. This was a tough thing for us to take. It was a big transition going from launching from the United States in the space shuttle. Look at that vehicle, magnificent vehicle. Such a cool spaceship, such a great machine. We don't fly it anymore. Its time had come and gone. And it was hard for us to accept that. But it's important to accept what's coming down the horizon. And it's better to embrace it than it is to try to fight it when it's inevitable. And it's actually when it's good for the program. And then you have all these private companies. All the entrepreneurship that you show in this room, we're now getting that infiltrating into our government program, which I think is for the better. Private industry is now looking at ways, like Elon Musk with SpaceX, looking at ways to get people into space, to get more material into space. And I think these next 20 years, next 10 years, the 2020s, next 10 to 20 years are going to be very exciting years. I think it's going to be going from like barnstorming days back in the early 20th century into commercial airline flight that we have today. That's where I think we're right at that cusp. So I think it was sad to see the shuttle go, but it needed to go to make room for all the new things we needed to do. Change is hard to accept, but you have to do it.